congrats to today's secret word winner. Hey guys, remember to look for the secret word to win a shout out in the next video. Hey guys, I'm at Main Event Entertainment in Kansas City, Missouri, not Kansas City, Kansas. Copyrighted. I'm gonna play some good old Pop Block. Jackpot's 1,000 and you get 3 per circle. That's amazing, guys. It is $1.75 a play. Almost $2. They raised the prices a tiny bit. Oh, I love the game. I got 129 tickets. That's pretty good, guys. I have to get 500 on gearing up, and it's ready to pay out. I believe this is ready. This is gonna be awesome if it is. Oh, the button's a little odd. I think this is ready, guys. I'm not the best at timing this, though. Yeah, it's got up. Let's go for the 500. Spin that wheel. Oh, one away, guys. No, it didn't. I'm gonna do it one more time. Say if I mess up there, that'd be suck. Yes, up. Let's go for that. Oh, that's so bad. It's stopping early, guys. I'm gonna play quick drop. This main event has the best quick drop. It is like so smooth, and they give you so much time on it. So I'm gonna play for the jackpot of $773. It's like the best quick drop I've ever seen.
Yeah, it runs out of balls, but you had perfect game until that one ball.
Yeah, and that wasn't even my fault.
You want to try it again?
Oh, sure. This arcade is expensive, I thought.
This arcade is a little expensive.
$2 a game.
$2 per game. Oh man, it was close.
What? And then that was not my fault. Yeah, it's kind of broken.
If you watch up here, it doesn't have enough balls.
Yeah, it's totally not my fault. I hit it 4 times and it dropped 5. It did that again, even though I missed. I'm gonna go for this 1,000. I've won it here before. Pricey, pricey, pricey. And it delayed, oh my gosh. Oh. Yes, 1,000 tickets first try, guys. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. 1,000 tickets going onto my card, yes. I'm kind of suspicious. Why do you only have to get 84 on cross here? I'm gonna do double because I think it's a point of hope. So I'm gonna use my fourth double. Oh, it's not. It's not, guys.
So it's 2 jumps.
Almost. It's like
It's hard to do too. did. I bet it did. We'll see.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Well, put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone and that's the day. I've been trying to fix my pride, but that shit's broken. That shit's broken.
I have to get geared up. I mean, I have to get this 500. Oh, there's loud music. I don't like the button they put in there. It's odd. Perfect. I'm gonna stop it right here. Hit. Hit. Oh, yeah, that's skipping. Yeah, it's not ready to pay out. That's skip. I think I'm gonna get one more 1,000 because why the heck not? And it delayed, of course. It delayed. Oh, that stinks. Still got 100 tickets. That's pretty good, but that means it's gonna delay again. Dang it, now I don't know the timing because since I won, it always delays, guys. Look at my total in this game. It delays a tiny bit. I'll show you guys. It delays a little weird. See how much that delayed, guys? And that's still way too late. I have to do that one more time because that delay was just insanity. Oh my gosh, last try. This is very expensive. Oh, way too early. That's so terrible. I'm serious, guys, now. I literally have to be done with this game. Yes, another 1,000. Holy crap, another 1,000 tickets. That's insane. Holy crap, I just got another 1,000. That is 3,000 tickets on this game. OMG. Just got 500 on Geared Up off camera also. That is amazing. See, it's only all those tickets. That's awesome. Look what I did, guys. 1,000 here, 1,000 here. OMG, I'm at like 6,000 already. You guys don't even want to know how many of these I've won. I've probably won about 8,000 tickets from this game already. That is insane. My dad's close. He has to get 28,000 and he's at 18,000 some. I don't know if he can get it. Oh no, you're screwed. With that one right there. Oh, he got it. Good. Get that. Oh, no.
Oh no, I don't know if he's gonna get it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Another station.
Yep, he got the jackpot. Barely. By 500 tickets. 67 plus 500 tickets. Yeah. I'm gonna play Crazy Power for 1,000 tickets. Wow. I don't know if it's ready or not. Probably not.
Is it 1,000?
Oh, I'm screwed, yeah. Oh, 2 away, guys. That's probably 48 tickets, I think. 43, that's weird. All right. I haven't got this once today.
Oh no.
That's very strange.
At this arcade at least.
Oh, yeah. How much is that? 1,150. Yes, I got popped the lock. Is this humanly possible? Everyone, do think I have 13,417. That is awesome, guys. I'm gonna go look in the prize area. I'll show you guys a little bit, and I'm gonna find some prizes. Guys, you will never believe what I won. I won an Instax camera. I had enough tickets for it. Way cheaper than Dave & Buster's. I got an Instax camera. This game is pretty cool. I do have my phone for it. Not that bad. I also was able to get a board game and some candy. So I totaled about 13,400 tickets. I got this Instax. That is amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I was at Main Event Arcade, Kansas City, Missouri. Thanks for watching, and remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out my merch, bit.ly/shopmerch, capital H, M, and S. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.